third phase of COVID-19 vaccination for the age group of 18 to 45 years began in several states like Maharashtra, West Bengal and Tamil Nadu. However, some states flagged off shortage of vaccines and will not be able to initiate the vaccination program today. On April 19th, the Union government announced that people above 18 years of age are eligible to get the COVID-19 vaccine from May 1st. According to the Union Health Ministry, more than 2.45 crore beneficiaries have registered themselves on the CoWIN portal till 9:30 p.m. on April 30th. India registered over 4 lakh fresh COVID-19 cases, pushing the overall tally to 1.92 crore. India became the first country to record more than 4 lakh new cases in a single day. According to the Health Ministry, the country has recorded 3,523 deaths in the past 24 hours. The cumulative death toll in the country stands at 2.1 lakh. States like Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka and Kerala continue to add a record number of cases. Maharashtra government has decided to send coronavirus samples from the state to the CSIR Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology for genome sequencing. According to the top officials, a sample of 25 COVID-19 patients from each district will be sent to Genomics Institute. Samples from 2 eastern districts of the state have been sent to the BJ Medical College in Pune for the examination. Amid the surge in COVID-19 cases in the country, the central government released home care tips for COVID-19 patients. According to the Office of the Principal Scientific Advisor, most of the COVID-19 infections do not need hospitalization. The PSA also advised patients not to self-medicate and use supplements as a means of preventive measure for the virus. A fire broke out at Bharuch Welfare Hospital in Gujarat at 1 a.m. on Saturday. According to District Collector Dr. Mothia, at least 16 COVID-19 patients and 2 nurses have lost their lives in the incident. Around 70 patients were admitted at the 4-storied hospital, of which 24 were in the intensive care unit. Meanwhile, the injured patients are shifted to nearby facilities. Prime Minister Narendra Modi took to Twitter and expressed grief over the deaths of the patients killed in the fire mishap. United States has imposed restrictions on travel from India starting on May 4th owing to the second wave of COVID-19 infections. At the same time, Australian government also announced that residents and citizens who have been in India within 14 days of the date will be banned from entering the country. The government also warned of imposing fines and imprisonment of the citizens who fail to adhere to the orders. This is the first time the Australian government has made it a criminal offence for its citizens to return home. Pfizer Inc. and BioNTech companies appealed to the European drug regulator for emergency approval of its vaccine for use among children aged 12 to 15 years old. According to Pfizer, the vaccine successfully demonstrated 100% efficacy and antibody response in at least 2,000 adolescents. Kollywood actor Bellamkonda Sai Srinivas is also to play the lead role in the Telugu remake of Karnan. However, the shooting of the Telugu remake is going to be delayed due to the pandemic. The Tamil superhit movie Karnan was directed by Mari Selvaraj, starring Dhanush, was released on April 9th and became an instant hit at the theatres. 2-time defending champions Mumbai Indians led by Rohit Sharma will take on table toppers Chennai at Arun Jaitley Stadium in the national capital on Saturday. Mumbai has defeated Chennai in the last 6 out of 7 outings. Chennai is on a hot run this IPL, winning 5 straight games, whereas Mumbai has struggled for consistency this season.